Good morning. Today I started with a new data science flashcard. I bought this earlier, but today only I have started this. So I bought this in Amazon. So it's a data science flashcards. So it's just for example, if I have to read something whenever I want to read any concept about machine learning, I used to refer this book, Machine Learning Using Python. This book I used to read. I have also reviewed about this book earlier in this channel itself. So sometimes we used to get for example, if I am reading this book for 2 hours, then I will read this for half an hour, like that. So this is data science flashcards. So it will be for example, what are all the assumptions of linear regression, like this. The question will be, the answer will be this: linear regression assumptions are same as diagnostics. So first option, like that we can study. So we can it is a different way of reading, as well as it is very interesting. So we will also get knowledge 3 in 1, like that. So this is linear regression, EDA, exploratory data analysis. Now which one is more important, exploratory data analysis or modeling? First option is exploratory data analysis, second option is modeling, third option is EDA can be done for all analytics projects, modeling is not mandatory. So like that. The question is like this. So which one of this important? And one more thing, this is small flashcards, this is big flashcard. Okay, so here RN was writing a book on data science. Under the EDA chapter, he wanted to write about Bible, like this. So this is multiple choice questions. This small one. This is big answer and questions, like interview questions or whatever may be the questions. So see, RN come up with, this is really a different way of studying, and also parallelly we will get the knowledge. See, what does a k-means clustering output? It is full, all this cards is full of data science only. So I started reading this and this is really awesome. So that is what I thought of publishing this video in the channel, so that you will be also feel it useful. So book is also a very best companion. So apart from this, if you have any Saturday and Sunday, if you want to read something about data science, or if you want to gain knowledge in data science, you can use this kind of methods to study. So I bought this in Amazon. I will also give the link in my description box below. Thank you for watching.